In a world where everyone's looking to cash in on the digital gold rush, there's one hero who stands out from the crowd. Meet George. Hey there, future millionaires. I'm George from Make That Online Money, and I'm here to help you navigate the wild, wild web of wealth. From the depths of affiliate marketing to the peaks of e-commerce and the uncharted territories of crypto, we've got it all. Think of me as your guide, or better yet, your digital treasure hunter. Welcome to Dynamic Digital Wealth Rage, where we unravel the secrets of making money online. You see, the internet is like a giant slot machine. But here, I'll show you how to rig it, legally. Whether it's a side hustle or a full-time gig, George is here to make sure you're equipped to face the digital battlefield. And hey, we might have a few laughs along the way, because who said making money online needs to be all serious and no fun? So, are you ready to turn those clicks into cash? Buckle up and let's start this journey together. Visit us at www.makethatonlinemoney.com and don't forget to like and subscribe. Make That Online Money, your guide to financial freedom. See you on the other side.